Let's see, how can we convert JSON format data into tabular format? First of all, open Microsoft Excel. Click on Data tab. Click on Get Data. Select the From JSON option. Select JSON file that you want to convert into table format. Once you upload, a Power Query Editor window will open, where you can see the list of records of JSON. Click on to Table option. A pop-up window will open. Leave it as it is and click on OK. Once you click on OK, an Expand button will appear besides column name. Click on it. You can see the format that will appear in table. Click on OK. Here is the final table of JSON format. Click on Close and Load button to import the table in Excel sheet. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.